Hey everyone, it's Darla from Crafty Yarn Owl. Welcome. So you saw the hashtag in the title. It is hashtag share along. Now what is share along? Well, as some of you know, I've been searching out smaller channels that have a couple of thousand subscribers, anywhere from 1 to a couple of thousand or 3,000-4,000, something like that, whatever. Smaller channels like mine. So to look to see if they have tutorials, and if they do, I look to see if there's anything I'd like to make. And the first one I shouted out was Omi Crochet with her Boho market bag. And then Cabin Fever Crochet with her Let Your Light Shine scarf. I showed these in previous videos. And then Sabrina Mallow Juice. Sabrina and I have been supporting each other's channels for quite some time. And yeah, so I've been wanting to do her Rosebud shawl for the longest time. And so I finally did it because I got this beautiful yarn. So this is, because I only had one ball, it ended up being, like it could be a very small, like a shawlette, or what do you call it? Cowl. Cowl. But anyway, I'm going to link those 3 tutorials below. They are very detailed. They're easy to follow. Yeah, they're very good tutorials. Very good tutorials. And so that's why I'm sharing them. And the main reason is because I want to support smaller channels. When I first started my channel almost 2 years ago, so many people supported me and it was amazing. And I really wasn't that good back then. Yeah. But I've been told I have improved. My confidence is up. I mean, when you first start, it's like, oh, nobody's going to watch me. Who's going to watch me? I hope at least one person watches me and I'll be happy, you know, if one person watches. So, yeah. All right. So the hashtag share along is for anybody, whether you have a channel or you don't, to support the smaller channels. I know some of you go to the bigger channels, which is nothing wrong with that, to find patterns that you want to make. And I'm trying to help the smaller ones so that they can get going. I mean, some of them want to do this as a living. And when you first start and you don't have a lot of people watching, and then you have to get your, what is it, 4 million hours, no, 4,000 hours of people watching and things like that. It takes a while to build up your channel to actually get a little bit of money coming in. I don't make a lot, even though I'm, you know, I have quite a few views on quite a few videos. But anyway, it takes a while. So some people want to do this as a living. I want to do this because I want to share with you guys. I love crochet. I love yarn. Anyway, this is not about me. This is about other channels. So yeah, I'm going to continue doing this, you know, not just for the year, but for as long as I'm on here. I'm going to help support smaller channels by sharing out their tutorials, by making their stuff, because there's a lot of small channels out there who have awesome tutorials, and they need to be discovered. And that's what I'm trying to do. So people who have channels, would you like to do this with me? Big channels, small channels, would you like to do this with me? I would really greatly appreciate it, and use that hashtag share along in the title so that anytime we share something, and I'm going to go back and hashtag the video I did yesterday and the one I did with of the boho bag that I made. Gonna hashtag them, and then they get all put together. Like every channel that participates, they'll all get put together. You just click on the hashtag, it'll take you to all the channels that are participating, and the viewers and subscribers who don't have a channel going, you can go there and you can see some, you're going to find some fantastic patterns, I think, that maybe you'd like to try, you know, support these smaller channels. When I first started my channel, did I say this? I got a lot of support from some of the other smaller channels, and I so appreciate that, you guys, so appreciate that. So that's what this is about, and those channels as well, look in their description boxes or their about page, see if they have Facebook groups that when you make something of theirs, you can share it on their Facebook group. I still have to do that. Or, well, yeah, do that. And I also have a Facebook group below that I'd love for you to share on. Did I say that? Oh, my goodness. But anyway, if I did, I'm saying it again. Share whatever you make of whoever's design it is. Yeah, I want to see it all. We all want to see it all. Let's see. Okay, so hashtag share along is to help share out smaller channels. Right now I'm concentrating on the ones that have tutorials. And I think that's everything. If I forgot anything, I'll put it down below. And I just hope, like, if you're going to do this, you want to do this? Do you guys want to do this, whether you have a channel or not? I would love it if you would join in. And let me know in the comments if you would like to join in, or you plan on it. Sometimes you might say, oh, I'd really like to do this, but you end up not doing it or not having time. But if you're absolutely going to do it, please, yeah, say, I am going to do this. And anyway, no, just put whatever you want. It doesn't matter. But I really would love a lot of you to participate. All right, so yesterday I mentioned that I was waiting for a delivery. I'm going to have a special thing happening on my channel. Well, my delivery did not show up. Surprise, surprise. It said today, which was yesterday, which I said could mean tomorrow or Friday or Monday. So I'm still waiting. It says today in my notifications that there's a delay and it's going to show up tomorrow. So that could still mean Monday. Today is what, February, what is it today? The 10th? Thursday, right? Anyway, it's going to show up when it shows up. And then I'm going to do a special video. All right, yeah. All right, thank you guys so much for joining me. And please, if you're going to do this hashtag, let me know. I would love, love if you would do it and help these smaller channels out. All right. Thank you, everyone. Bye.